The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has taken possession of buildings belonging to Mr. George Turner, a former coordinator of the Goodluck Jonathan Namadi Sambo campaign organization. This follows a ruling by the Federal High Court sitting in Port Harcourt, ordering the forfeiture of the properties to the federal government. The EFCC on May 23rd slammed Mr. Turner and 7 companies with a 12-count charge bordering on obtaining money by false pretenses, money laundering and abuse of office. The EFCC operatives, led by the zonal head of the commission, Mr. Ishak Salihu, stormed Kolo Town in Obia local government area of Bayelsa State to enforce the order on a sprawling estate belonging to the 33-year-old currently detained at the Port Harcourt prison in Rivers State.
The EFCC has, through the court, obtained a valid court order forfeiting this property and orders to the EFCC pending the determination of the suit of the criminal proceedings. That is why we are here.